In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a product from Amazon and take the code that Amazon provides you and place it onto your blog and website if you're using an HTML website. This way you know how to add the code so that you can start getting paid for the products. So we've already discussed in previous videos how to actually grab your links and the different types of links. So what you're going to see as you set up your affiliate link within Amazon is they're going to give you this code, and it's going to say highlight HTML. And this is the HTML code. This is the link that you're going to use. So when people are on your website and they are, you're maybe reviewing the product, which is a good way to go. So you're talking about this product, you're recommending this product. Then what you would do then is you want to have this code handy so that people can click on this link here and get taken to Amazon to like this page so they could actually make the purchase and so you can get credit as an affiliate. So all you're going to do here, just click on the highlight HTML button, or you could go in here, highlight it all with your mouse by clicking and dragging. And then you can right click and choose copy. So again, just choose right click and copy, and you're just going to have this code copied. So what we're going to first do is take this code, we're going to take and put a product within a blog post. So what you want to do is go to your blog and go ahead and go to post, and we're just going to go to add new post. And inside here, we'll just call this, we'll call this the PetMate Le Bistro Portion Controlled Automatic Pet Feeder. And we're going to talk about, I highly recommend this product. Of course, you would type a whole lot more, but I'm just showing this as an example here. So once you get to this point, so you've done your review of the product, you've done your article, your blog post, whatever it might be, and you're ready to actually insert it, the next step is to go right over here where it says visual and text. You're going to select text. And what you're going to do is just copy and paste this code in. So you're just going to copy and paste this code. And then the only other thing that I like to do here, once you've copied and pasted it, is sometimes it's good to center it up. So if you do want to center it, the easiest way to do it is to use the Shift key, and there's a caret to the left. So it's like that little arrow. It's typically next to the letter M on the keyboard. And you're going to type in the word center, and then you're going to do the arrow to the right, and that is actually found, of course, right next to the other one that you just did to the left. And you'll put that at the beginning of the code, and that code with Amazon starts with iframe. And then all you do is you go to the end of it, and this part is optional. This is only if you want to center it. And then you will go to the end of it, and you will do caret to the left, /, which is on the same key that you would get access to where the question mark is, and then you type in the word center again, and then you do a Shift key and another arrow to the right. So you've added in these two features at the beginning and end that will actually help center your text, center this picture within here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose publish on this blog post. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to simply choose View Post. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And here it is. So now we've got here is, we've got our PetMate Le Bistro Portion Controlled Automatic Pet Feeder. And, right in here, here's your blog post. And there it is. There it shows up. If you were to click on it, let's go ahead and try that. So we're just going to click on this. And there it goes. It opens right up. It should have your tag. It should be tagged to you, so you are going to get credit for it. And it does. It looks like that part is working. So everything should function just like that. So again, you go right in here on your blog post, and under visual, you're going to, instead of visual, you're going to choose text, and then you're simply going to paste that on in there. So you're just going to go to visual, and then you're going to paste that on in there. And if you do decide you want to center it, then you can follow the instructions that I just gave you to add in the center tags before and after. Alternatively, you could also highlight this area. You could just put your mouse over it, and you can actually use up here the buttons here, which allow you to align left, align center, and align to the right. Those are other options as well, but typically it looks best if you kind of center it up, so you can do that. So there's two different ways you can center it. Either option is just fairly simple. If you go with the option under visual after you put in the HTML code, all you're going to do is just highlight it with your mouse by clicking on it, and then you can use the option up here to align it how you want to align it. And again, so you go to your blog post, you choose text, you paste in the code that Amazon gave you, you decide to center it if you want, you can hit publish, and then you go to the blog post to review it to make sure it displays correctly. The next part of this video here is I want to show you how to add it in to an HTML file. So this would be like a regular web page. So the previous example was if you were using a website, a WordPress blog format for your website. So right here I'm actually using a program called Composer. Composer is a free HTML editor, and it allows you, to edit HTML pages. So that's what we're working in here. So you can go in here to Composer, and you can choose, automatic pet feeders review. And what you would do here is go right on over here to where it says source. So you've got your HTML page, you've put your content on there. This, of course, is not a video about creating an HTML page. This is just about how to add it into an HTML page. And you're going to go to the bottom here after you're inside Composer, and it's going to say normal, HTML tags, and source. I'm going to choose source. And then right in here, you're just going to paste in that code. So you just paste in that code, and then you choose normal. Back to normal mode, and you can, see it show up there. And then if you do want to center it, you can go back to the source code and do what we did in the WordPress part, where we're going to add in the centering tag. So we'll go right in here, we'll do caret to the left, or arrow to the left, again right next to the letter M, caret to the right, which is right next to the caret to the left, and then this part's important, caret to the left, /, then you write the word center again, caret to the right, and this is just basic HTML that we just did, and there it goes. It should center correctly. And then you can also just click on the preview to see how the page is going to look. You can click on the link, and it should it should work, and there it goes. It's taken me out of Composer into the actual website. Notice it's tagged with my affiliate ID, so everything there is functioning. So that's how you take a product and you actually take the code that Amazon gives you for a product from their Amazon affiliate dashboard, and you copy and paste it into your website or your blog.